Hello and welcome to another Motion Industries how-to video. My name is Tom Clark, I'm your host, and on today's how-to, we're going to get a demonstration of Motion's industrial dispensing solutions. And here to help us from Motion Industries is Doug Osborne of the Motion Services Division. Doug, how are you?
Very good, Tom. Great to be here with you today.
It's good to have you here. I'm excited. I got a big machine full of tools and PPE. I'm excited. What's going on today?
Well, today we're going to demonstrate a Motion Industries industrial product dispensing or vending machine and highlight the advantages of having one on site at a plant or facility.
All right, well, where do we start? Because I'm excited about getting some stuff out of this machine today.
Well, before we look at how the Motion vending machine works and its features, it's good to understand why a customized smart vending solution would be useful. What do you think a typical but significant problem may be that plants have with unmanaged industrial product inventory like gloves or glasses?
Well, I'm thinking I may have forgotten my gloves. Maybe I left them at home, or maybe I lost my safety glasses, something like that.
Exactly, Tom. I may have misplaced an item, and that can get costly. It's unproductive and very frustrating.
What do we do about it? Is this going to be our solution?
Well, Motion offers easy, hassle-free vending solutions that keep valuable inventory safe and allow accessibility only to authorized personnel. This has the potential to reduce waste by 25 to 30% and save time and adds productivity, which in turn saves those dollars.
Oh, 25 to 30%. That's going to be a lot of dollars. So I need to know how this works.
Well, every plant or facility consumes items like safety glasses, gloves, and batteries every day. An on-site vending machine such as this is like having an inventory manager and controller all in one. Today, for our demonstration purposes, we have here Motion Industries Pro Stock Carousel machine, which is for high security and easy replenishment and issue of safety and industrial supplies.
All right.
So let's say I'm a plant employee and I just ran out of thread locker. So I'm going to come to the vending machine, scan in, and then I'm going to do a search for the various types of thread locker.
So you can type in whatever you're looking for in the machine.
Absolutely, Tom. Now we have a list of all the various products that we have in the machine. I'm going to get a 50 milliliter bottle out. I'm going to hit Issue Item.
All right, that opens up. I'm going to reach in here and see what I pulled out. Pretty lucky there. No, I'm just kidding. It is a 50 milliliter bottle.
That's right, Tom.
Thread locker, we got it.
And so once we're done getting this particular product, if I need some additional products like safety glasses, hair nets, those type of things, I can get them. Once I'm done, I'm going to hit the log out button. That completes the transaction.
Okay, now, but the first thing you did was swipe your ID badge, and I have to assume that's important.
That is important, Tom. Authorized personnel are able to access the system. There's also the option for an employee to log onto the screen using their employee ID number. And as I complete the dispensing, the system obtains the information that I, Doug Osborne, obtained product, how much I removed, what I removed, and the day and time, so I can run reports on that information.
Well, what happens if this is the last bottle of thread locker? I mean, does someone need to go make a thread locker run, or what?
Well, another time-saving feature of this system is the auto-replenishing schedule. A major feature is that the machine should never run out of an item. In the beginning, what we do is evaluate a facility's needs. We determine what the right machines are and their configuration, and so that we can maintain product over a given period of time. The vending equipment is scaled appropriately to make sure that you don't run out. The refill order for the machine is handled once or twice a week by the local Motion branch that supports this effort. This saves the plant time that otherwise might be taken to, as you put it, make a thread locker run.
But how does Motion know when something is needed? Is there, I don't know, maybe a little guy in there with a phone, he's texting you going, "We need more Loctite"?
Well, the machine's proprietary software will recognize a low stocking level and will notify Motion Industries via high-speed internet.
Well, what if something goes wrong with the machine's mechanisms? Let's say I can't get my gloves out because they're stuck, you know, and maybe I bang the machine and something happens. Well, what are you guys going to do then?
Well, Motion's backup support system not only includes restocking, but includes installation and repair as well. So no worries about having to ship the machine out if something goes awry. Our technicians show up to troubleshoot and repair on the spot. We have the protocols in place to address any of these problems as soon as they're identified. In fact, frequently a problem is resolved either remotely or on site before it even becomes an issue at the plant.
Well, now I suppose that each machine would be configured for what the plant needs of stock, because not all plants are the same, right?
That's right, Tom. Dimensions are pre-configured based on customer needs, and as the plant needs evolve, machines can be reconfigured by our techs on site.
What about items getting stuck in the machine? Is that going to happen?
Well, we've taken some preventative measures for that. We actually package products, such as these gloves from Memphis, for easy dispensing.
So you quickly get what you need every time. Are all of Motion's machines like this one, or are there other different vending models for different purposes?
MI Vending offers many industrial vending models, all designed to save the customer time and money, yet vary according to a customer's needs. We have a coil machine, a weigh station, which is for high volume type product, a locker machine, which we use for bulky items, as well as check-in and check-out of tools. And each solution is based on each customer's need, because with vending machines, one size does not fit all.
Thanks, Doug. We appreciate it. Obviously, Motion works to accommodate. So thanks so much for this great demonstration.
Thank
we
you.
appreciate it very much. Doug Osborne. Hey, if you have any questions about this, don't forget to contact the Motion Industries branch that's nearest you. And I'm sure that something like this would be very cost-effective and very productive for your plant, so it's something that you should consider as well. And you should also consider watching another how-to video with me, Tom Clark, as your host. Thanks so much for watching this one.